So this is the skeleton of horse. We can see here, in case of horse, the first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth lumbar vertebrae. The first, second, third, fourth, fifth and sixth. So these are the six lumbar vertebrae which we can see here. After that, this is the ilium, this is the sacrum. Here we can see first, second, third, fourth, fifth. These are the sacrum, then coccygeal vertebrae. So up to this first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, or first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are the sixth dorsal spinous process. Okay, so now their bodies, first we will see the body of the lumbar vertebrae in horse. The bodies are shorter and first three have a distinct ventral spine. Here we can see ventral spine in this aspect. First, second and third, and bodies are shorter compared to ox. We can see here, and another thing, this the ventral spine is subsides after the third, and the transverse process increase in length, which we can see from first, second, third, we can see, and sometime up to the fourth they increase in length. And then we can see that the first, and then they decrease, as we can see, and the first and second, the slightly curved backward, they are slightly curved backward, we can see, and the last two to three curve forward. So we can see they are curved forward in this manner. And the third is the right angle, so this one is the at the straight almost. The posterior border of the transverse process of the fifth, we can see first, second, third, fourth and fifth. The posterior border, this aspect we can see, the posterior border of the transverse process of the fifth at its medial part has an oval concave facet. Here we can see oval concave facet, we can see here, and one is visible here also. So this facet in which we can see, so these concave facet which articulate with the convex facet on the anterior border of the sixth lumbar vertebrae. So this is the convex facet, this is the concave facet in the fifth one, this is fifth one, and this is the sixth one, this is the last. And the anterior border of the sixth is having the concave or convex facet, and sometimes the fifth has a small facet at the fourth, for the fourth also. This we can see here, this for the fourth, sometimes it is more developed, so that the fourth and fifth are also joined in the manner of the fifth and sixth, as we can see here in this aspect. Now the last or the sixth transverse process are thick at the base and thin towards or narrow elsewhere. We can see that is very thick here, this is very thick here, we can see here that this one is thick here, and we can see here that it articulate by a large concave facet on its posterior border, this one which we can see here, that is concave facet, and this on its posterior border which with the corresponding facet of the sacrum. So this is the sacrum which we can see here, this is the sacrum, so this is articulating there also. So this is the very specific or differentiating features in case of horse lumbar vertebrae.